Want to know the ultimate routine for extreme natural hair growth and thickness? Into this video, I am taking you along for my complete step-by-step Ayurvedic wash day routine featuring my signature products. If you are dealing with hair thinning, slow growth, or breakage, this herbal blend is exactly what your type 4 or type 3 hair needs to scrap. I am breaking down how I combine powerful natural herbs with caffeine to stimulate the scalp and also lock in maximum moisture. The first step is our overnight hot oil treatment. Now, if you don't have the time to do this overnight, you can also do your hot oil treatment 30 minutes before your wash routine or an hour before your wash routine. As you saw, I did a double boil method with our hot oil. I just put it in a pot and then I just let this steam to warm the oil out. Make sure your oil is not too hot or else you are going to burn your scalp. Now for the oils, I use our signature Secret Scalp Stimulator Hair Growth Oil and also our Caffeine Scalp Stimulator Hair Growth Oil. Both oils are on my website. If you are new here, my name is Selena Zinchuk. I was diagnosed with traction alopecia and alopecia areata, and I was able to reverse my condition, and I was able to also grow my hair to my waist twice. But however, I had a massive heat damage. I went to get my hair professionally straight. This will be my third time growing my hair to my waist. I also brought my kids along on this journey, and their hair is also extremely long. If you are wondering why overnight hot oil treatment with these two oils, these two oils help with maximum follicle nourishment and also blood circulation. The added heat from a warm treatment opens up the hair cuticles, allowing the oils to deeply penetrate, repair damage, and also lock in moisture for improved hair growth and thickness. The next day, I use our Keratin Volume Boost shampoo. This is an old clay, but that's exactly what I did. I just used our keratin shampoo to shampoo my hair before going into the next step of this hair routine. I made my Ayurvedic mask the night before, so let me show you exactly how I made it. I got a full cup of water and I put it in the microwave until it got hot. After that, I transfer it and I'm going to make our tea. To make our tea, this is a mixture of dry lavender, dry rosemary, and dry hibiscus. After adding it into our hot water, I went in with 2 tablespoons of our coffee powder. I give it a good stir and I'm going to put it aside, let it steep for an hour. If you have more time, you can let it steep for 2 hours. After that, I'm going in with our amla powder, our fenugreek powder, and also our henna powder. Give all of that a good stir. I will leave all the measurement down below in the description box if you want to know exactly how much measurement I use. And this measurement, I use it according to how thick and how long my hair is. You can always adjust your measurement according to your hair thickness. Afterwards, I'm just going to give it a good stir. You don't have to worry because you're leaving this overnight. The next day, if you have any nuts in it, it's all going to melt in. And then I went in with about 2 tablespoons of our caffeine oil and also 2 tablespoons of our secret oil. Give it a good stir and your treatment is ready to use. Let's look at each ingredient and the benefit it's going to do for our hair. Caffeine stimulates hair follicles. It promotes scalp blood circulation and can naturally inhibit the effects of DHT, a hormone linked to hair loss. The rosemary is known to stimulate growth and improve cellular regeneration in the scalp. The lavender has antimicrobial properties that soothes the scalp and also reducing irritation. The hibiscus conditions and softens the hair shaft, adding natural shine. We also went in with our herbs, which is the amla powder. Amla is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Amla strengthens hair roots, it limits hair fall, and accelerates growth by supporting collagen production. The fenugreek is packed with protein, nicotinic acid, lysine. Fenugreek significantly reduces shedding and it also deeply conditions brittle strands. The henna binds directly to the keratin in your hair, smoothing the cuticle and also adding an instant thickness effects to each strand while reducing breakage. And as you guys know, the secrets and the caffeine oil, it helps with scalp stimulation, follicle stimulation, and also hair growth. I left the mask on for 2 hours. After that, I rinsed it out, and then I went in and conditioned my hair and also detangled my hair. I left the conditioner on for only 20 minutes, and after that I rinse it out, and I'm now going to moisturize my hair. To moisturize my hair and put it in my signature bun, I'm first going with our oil on my scalp. I'm going to massage it in, and then after that I'm going to go in with our leave-in conditioner, and then I will curl enhancing smoothie. After that, I will lock all of that moisture in again with a little oil over it. Once I do this routine and I put my hair in a bun, I don't have to do anything again to my hair until my next wash day, which is in 7 days. Now, this routine is going to help me to get me to my waist length. I've done it before and I'm doing it again. This routine is a routine that if you having slow hair growth, if you are having thinning, if your hair is just not growing at all, give this routine a try. This is something that you can do once a month or twice a month. Okay, family, so this is the end of this full wash day routine. If you want to check these products out, you can get most of it from on my website, excluding the herbs, but I do sell the henna. Also, S Secrets will be launching a lot of new products within a month, so make sure you stay tuned. We are rebranding the website and also adding products to the website that people actually need and will help with your hair. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.